beneath the red planet of doom, beneath the black mountain of Viltheed, a servant of evil stirs. Zordrak, Lord of Nightmares.
So, Captain Krieg, first you failed to complete my whirly bet on time, and then you questioned my plan to capture the Dreamstone. You will be taught a lesson in obedience. This will end your problems. And mine. There, my pretties. Another tasty earthly. Now then, Sergeant Blob. You are now in charge of Operation Dreamstone. There will be no delays, no excuses. Is that clear? Soon now, my adorables, you will deliver my nightmares to everyone. Because I will have the Dreamstone.
Far from the mountains of Viltheed, through the mist of Limbo, beyond the forest of the Watts, is the land of dreams. There, above the valley of the Nooks, lives the old Dreammaker. Legend tells us that he was old when the moon and stars were young. Every night from his castle, he sends pleasant dreams to a sleeping world through the magical power of the Dreamstone.